This is the Asus TUF Gaming GT302 ARGB, a mid-tower ATX case made for regular users who want top-notch cooling performance and great compatibility. It features a square-type mesh front panel to maximize airflow efficiency, 4 120x28mm ARGB fans for high-performance cooling, interchangeable side panels that we can switch between a tempered glass panel for displaying your system or a mesh panel for better ventilation, detachable top panel that simplifies cable routing and installation of fan or radiator, lots of room for powerful components like large graphics card up to 407mm, 360mm AIO coolers, and eATX motherboards. It supports BTF or hidden connector motherboards to maximize clean cable management. For storage capacities, it can fit up to 4 SSDs and 2 HDDs with its improved bracket design. For an easy build experience, it includes a cable grommet bar with 3 large straps to neatly organize the cables. The front panel features a USB Type-C port for high-speed transfer. That's all for the features of the TUF Gaming GT302 ARGB case. Also, I've got some tips on how you can get these sweet prices from ASUS. So stick around till the end of the video, and let's proceed with the PC build. the final reveal, use a giveaway from Asus that you can join to win some awesome prizes. You may check the link in the description below. And now, enjoy the final reveal.
Drop that.